It's something Congress has not been able to reach an agreement on, so lawmakers in Nebraska are trying to pass a state law.
The bill in the Nebraska Legislature would shield businesses, schools, and hospitals and churches from COVID-19 related lawsuits unless someone can prove with clear and convincing evidence they were negligent on their property.
3 News Now reporter John Kipper tells us what the bill will and will not protect.
It's been a rough 10 months for businesses both large and small in Nebraska, and now some are fearful of the potential of litigation.
They're faced with the threat of needless, unwarranted lawsuits.
State Senator Tom Breese is pushing the COVID-19 Liability Protection Act. The bill does not deal with the employer-employee relationship, instead focusing on customers in a business, patients in a hospital, and students in a school. If somebody were to sue for damages due to COVID, they would need to prove gross negligence or willful misconduct with clear and convincing evidence, a much higher standard than current law.
This is in response to exceptional circumstances. You know, these are exceptional times we're in, exceptional circumstances, and this legislation will sunset.
Ron Sedlacek with the Nebraska Chamber of Commerce says as long as there is a good faith effort to comply with COVID protocols, owners should be protected.
This certainly encourages everyone to essentially reopen with some assurances again that they're not going to have to face potential litigation.
The bill is broad in who it protects, covering property owners who invite others into their own home.
And that could be actually your home, your neighbor, a card club, friends gathering.
State Senator Mike Flood says protecting nursing homes is especially important. He says they already have heavy government regulation and low reimbursement rates. He worries what would happen if they're sued.
And I think that type of environment with all the regulations and all the liability on top of the fact that our reimbursement rates haven't kept up and is a recipe for disaster.
John Kipper, 3 News Now.
The Chamber of Commerce said they modeled Nebraska's bill from an Iowa bill that was passed last summer.